it's your boy D, and today we're going to be doing a 50k mile update / 2011 WRX review. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. About 90% of people that watch me aren't subscribed, but y'all been showing love, the ones that are here, and getting a lot of love. A lot of negative too, but you know, I'm gonna ignore it. You know, that's what come with the game. But anyways, let's get into it, man. All right, so the number one thing about these cars people always ask is the reliability. I got this car at 35,000 miles and now I'm at 51,000. I haven't had not one problem at all. I keep my oil changed, always check my coolant. I'm not super aggressive on the car. Obviously, yeah, I do have my moments. It's a sports car. I'm definitely gonna, you know, but I feel like as long as you're keeping up with the maintenance on the car, it should be able to handle it. But I do understand when you mod these cars, they do become unreliable. But if you want to make it reliable, they have mods that you can do that will make it reliable. It's such as like the cylinder for coolant mod, air oil separator, things like that you would do to keep this car reliable. But I have mine completely bone stock, like completely. It's time for a new battery. Don't judge me. Make sure it's coolant in there. I think we got some coolant, we good. But definitely I got a lot of negative when people knew I had this car. There's a lot of people out there that say a lot of negative things. You just gotta ignore it. You gotta understand all cars are the same. Maybe if you have a Honda, you'll be able to beat on it and, you know, treat it bad and it'll last. This is a car that you have to actually take care of. You can't just treat this car like any other car. But like I was saying, definitely always treat your car how you would want to be treated. You need to eat, you need to drink, but yeah, definitely. But everything I have done in my car, I have aftermarket headlights, front lip, front plate, new badges, got the black and white badge overlays. I have side skirts. I painted my fender badge, but I'm gonna end up just getting the real thing because it's kind of peeling a little bit. And I got aftermarket tail lights, and I'm getting the wing and trunk painted. If anybody got hate about the wing, I really don't care. I like how the wing look. I know it's not an STI. I'm not trying to be an STI, but the wing just looks a lot better. But I kept my badge on here just so, you know, nobody don't think I'm an STI. But anyways, aftermarket tail lights, diffuser, tinted tag cover. Yeah, so I done did quite a bit looks wise. Soon in the next month or so I'll be getting coilovers and I will be getting wheels soon, so stay tuned for that. I got some nice things in mind, but anyways, let's check out the inside if y'all don't know already what these look like. So I have the premium, so I have the heated seats, sunroof, and I have the Arduino head unit. So yeah, it's pretty solid on the inside, very comfortable. Got the sport seats, but it's really comfortable. But I would say if you're looking to get a Subaru, definitely get it. Do not buy one that's already been used and abused. Get one with low mileage. Don't get one with 120K. Those type of cars, they already had their fun on it, and you're just the next one to fall into the disaster. Not a lot of people take care of their cars, they just beat on them. And when they get those problems, they fix it up and sell it. And it'll be your problem. You don't want those type of problems. Thankfully, I got this car, and my bad, I got distracted by the ducks. But thankfully, I got this car, and it was an older guy that had it, and it just sat in the garage. So let's check the mileage on this thing. I have no idea where I'm at. Let's see. I'm at 51,394. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got the mirrors with the compass on it. I mean, it doesn't do me any great use, but I mean, it's kind of cool to have. And it has the lights on the floorboard, which I will show you. Probably can't see it on camera, but they're blue. I don't know why they're blue. They should be red, but yeah. Jeez, I can't get the key out. So yeah, back to what I was saying originally. If you're looking to get one, you should definitely get one. You don't have much to be worried about at all. But yeah, no leaking coolant, no leaking oil. It does burn oil, but if it does, obviously you got to keep up on your oil. Make sure it's up to par. And if it is low, just add more oil to it. And this car takes fully synthetic oil, 91 premium gas, if you didn't know. Here in Florida, 91 is like $4, which is kind of ridiculous, but this car is not great on gas, but I heard you could tune them to be great on gas, and I can't wait for that when I get the engine miles going. But yeah, 51,000 miles, so I probably put, what, 17 on it. I haven't had any problems at all. So if you're definitely interested in getting one, you should definitely get one. DB with the Subi approves. And I'm not sure if the noise from the wind is loud or not. I'll find out when I edit it, but if it is, I apologize about that. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram until I hit 200 followers. Everybody will get a follow that. Got a Civic. I don't think that's a Type R. Might be a clone, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Something slight, you know. Let's give y'all a little walk around again. But anyways, we got a big video coming up this weekend. Gonna be putting something out maybe Sunday or Monday, but make sure you turn your post notifications on so y'all can get the video when it drops. But anyways, if you're supporting me, I appreciate you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.